Hi, I'm Jonathan Burns with Tallahassee Nurseries, and I'd like to show you an exciting collection of unusual edible plants we have right now. It's summertime, it's hot, a lot of our conventional veggies just will not survive the heat and humidity of the middle of a Tallahassee summer. Luckily, there's all kinds of really cool tropical plants that we can grow through the warm season that offer us really unusual flavors and styles of food. So we've got this great collection here. We're just going to run through it, show you some of the options we have. This is called Katuk. This is an edible green. It grows like crazy. You just keep harvesting it. It's high in protein, very nutritious. We've got hops for you to try here. This is a bit of an experiment for our area. That's the hops that's in beer, but it should grow through our summer times. We'll see how it perennializes, but for anyone doing homebrew, if you get a batch that you grew yourself, that's pretty cool. We've got dwarf papayas, wonderful edible fruit, really good plant. Malibar spinach, this thing grows like a weed. It's edible. It loves the summertime. They're best cooked. You can eat a lot of these plants cooked or raw, different kinds of flavors than what you're used to with collards or lettuce or anything like that. But this just, you've got a lot of food to eat from there. We've got a couple types of edible hibiscus, which is really unusual. They're just as pretty as a blooming hibiscus. They've got these beautiful big red leaves on here. This one's called Sea Island Salad Tree. There's another one that's South Sea Salad Tree, so fun tongue twisters for you. But beautiful plants. They look really attractive in your landscape as well as being edible. This is Moringa. This is a big one. A lot of people know about it. It's very popular right now. It's used around the world as a nutritious plant, high in vitamins, high in protein, very good for you. And it grows like a weed as well. It's a nitrogen fixing plant. This one has been shown to be cold hardy in our area. If you protect it well in the winter, the top will freeze, but it comes back from the ground. It's really cool. Here's that South Sea Salad Tree. I nailed that twice now. I think I did a pretty good job on that. This is a wonderful plant to use as a salad. I believe the whole part of this plant is edible. You know, there's so many options: stems, leaves, leaf stems. There's all kinds of things we don't eat generally as Americans, but you can grow these in your yard and have some options. This is the miracle berry. The fruit on this makes everything sour. It tastes sweet. It's a very unusual sensation we've experimented with. You can just eat a lemon like an orange. We've got longevity spinach, which is reported to have all kinds of health benefits. So a lot of these plants, they're not just edible, which is really cool. They fit in a time period when we can't grow other edibles, which is really cool. But a lot of them have emerging research suggesting that they're very healthy for you as well. You know, that's up to you to do research on as to the health benefits and what's going to benefit you personally. But it looks like a lot of these plants might be good for us as well as tasty and good for our garden. So a lot of stuff to try out, and at the absolute worst, you're making your garden look pretty all summer long.